Hello class, and welcome to week 3 of Psych 617. I hope you are doing well, that you're healthy and safe. One thing that I will say is make sure that you reach out to me as you need. There have been a few of you that have been emailing me these first few weeks. I've had a couple phone calls. Please feel free to do so. I know that we are living in a world that is just uncertain and in unprecedented times, and I want to do my best to support you, but I won't know how to do that unless I hear from you. So feel free to reach out to me if you need to schedule a meeting, a phone call. We can do so. I just do like to plan things, so we would need to come up with a time that would work. All right, so let's talk about week 3. When you first get into the shell, make sure that you are always checking your announcements. As you've seen by now, and you'll continue to see, I do post a lot of these. So sometimes these are sent out via email, sometimes they are not. If I record them ahead of time, which I try and do and be a planner, you will not get them in an email. And also do note, if I have any sort of attachments in my announcements and you get them in the email, you're going to have to check the class shell to be able to review those attachments, okay? All right, let's talk about week 3. So when you first enter the shell, make sure that you check out, or the week 3 forum, make sure you check out the spotlight summary, review what we're going to be covering, some questions to get your gears going there too. And then we get down to the welcome. So if we click on the week at a glance, it will take you to this page. You will see a quote, some course learning objectives that we're going to be covering throughout the week, and then a chart. So those items that are in black font are not graded, but they're for you to work on, to think about some of the future assignments, and those in blue are graded this week. If you come back to this tab, you're going to see another graphic. Remember, those in the left are not graded. Some tidbits about working on the career autobiography and genogram that is due in week 5, and then what we are going to be covering this week. If you go down below, you're going to see the course materials section has the PowerPoints for chapters 4 and 6. In the assignment tab, if we click on here, there's a little notation that this week is the second week of the 2-week board, so this is your peer response week. Make sure that you look back at Module 2 for additional details related to the discussion board, but the big thing is that you need 3 peer responses Sunday by midnight to engage and interact with peers that have posted things that are different from your own too. So your response posting should be the initial response postings. Of course, I want you to engage, ask questions within your own form as well, your own initial posting, but make sure that your response postings are in response to the initial postings of 3 of your peers to get your full credit. So again, this is the second week of the 2-week board, and this is the response posting week. So post at least 3 peer responses of substantive nature and quality Sunday by midnight. Then the inventory reflection assignment is due at the end of this week. There is an instructional video here, so make sure you watch that. But to basically go over this, this is where you turn in your assignment, this link here. There's a link here that will allow you to upload the assignment. There's some key details here. You're going to be taking several inventories and basically writing up your results and reflecting and applying the results. So it's only 3 to 4 pages. It's not a huge paper, but really getting into some of these assessments to see what it's like, see the results, see what you think, and how you might be able to utilize this in your future practice. So again, watch this video up here for additional information. You're going to notice that the rubric is down here as well. I'm going to be grading the paper. And then participation points. Remember, participation points, there's nothing you need to do, but I will provide you a grade each week. If you're submitting your assignments on time, those are 5 of the points, and then submitting quality work are the other 5 points, okay? So let's go back to week 3, and you're going to see at the very bottom, the activities folder has some additional resources to dig into the topic, all right? Well, that is it. I am excited to dig into week 3 with you, and remember, reach out to me as you need. I know sometimes these classes can feel a bit isolating, but I am here to support you, and you have a whole classroom of classmates as well. Thank you.